of stars. Each star has an important place in the universe. They are unique. Like a star, every single person has a special place in this world. Every one of us, no matter who we are, is equally important. With this beautiful thought, I, Saran Mudamagar, would like to welcome you all in today's assembly. Now, without taking your much of time, we would like to present a short skit on Barber, and the main characters are Summer as the king, User as the chief minister, and Prajas as the barber. The king's barber prayed for a hefty raise in his salary. The chief minister would not allow him. He decided to get rid of him. How do you think he tried to do so? Let's see from this skit. Once there was a barber. Every day he went to the palace and saved the king. He was very good at his job. The king liked him and he felt that his job was unique. Your Majesty, I am the only one who can put the razor on your face, so I think I should be rewarded with hefty salary. What do you think, my lord? That's true. I think you are right. I will think of it. Don't worry. Your Majesty, you do not need to increase his salary. I think what he is getting is enough for him. I think you are right. The barber started hating the chief minister. He decided to get rid of him. One day he told the king, Your Majesty, last night your father appeared in my dream. He said he was very lonely and wanted your chief minister to keep him company. Oh dear, my father is lonely and depressed in the heaven. He wants you to accompany him. Therefore you must go to heaven. Your Majesty, I will gladly do so, but please give me 4 days time. I will say goodbye to all my family and relatives. Okay, you have 4 days to say goodbye to all your dear ones. A big funeral diet was erected, and on the 4th day, the chief minister lay down on the fire. He was covered with a lot of rice and straw. The fire was deep. Soon there was a lot of smoke. No one could see anything. The chief minister was not burned. He had got a tunnel lock which connected the fire to his house. He escaped through the tunnel. The chief minister knew that the barber was responsible for his death. He decided to teach him a lesson. 2 days later, the king received a letter from the chief minister in heaven. It said, Your Majesty, your respected father is now happy. However, he feels depressed. That is because there is no one to save him. He wants the royal barber. Oh dear, I just received a letter from the heaven. My father is happy now, but sometimes he feels depressed because there is no one to save him. You must go to the heaven. Okay, my Majesty. Oh, shit. Soon the funeral pyre was ready. The barber was burned to ashes. After a few days, the king learned the truth. Oh dear, I'm happy that my faithful minister
monster is alive and that Barber was weak. He has been rightly been punished.
The moral of our speech is honesty is the best policy. Now, I would like to call my dear friends of Class 5C to sing a song on Fulko Akama.